This is the Zentner SpeedLine auto reclaim unit. First chamber has ink remover in it. So the ink remover obviously is going to loosen up that ink, soften it up so it can be cleaned off. Module 2 is just a drip station. So any of the ink remover that's on the screen is going to drip down in it, back into Module 1 to continuously use that chemical. As you get into Module 3 is just a rinsing station. So this is going to rinse off any of the ink remover from Module 1 to prepare it for emulsion remover. Module 4 has got emulsion remover in it. As we go into Module 5, this is the high pressure washer. This is going to remove any of the stencil that's left on that screen, leaving you with a clean screen back end. As the chemical goes through and filters through this system, once particles build up in there, it gets to a certain point that the chemical will rise and it'll automatically feed new filter material through to filter out your chemical. So this filter system will give you more longevity with your chemicals.